Hi, I'm Leah, a licensed esthetician. I own Skin Beautiful RX, which is a medical grade skincare store, and my channel is dedicated to bringing you ingredient knowledge as well as formulator interviews so that you can construct the perfect routine, anti-aging routine, skin health routine for your particular skin type and its needs. Today's video is going to be all about tightening the upper eyelid for a more rejuvenated and youthful appearance. So before I start, I just want to say this does not replace a surgical intervention. What this does do though is gives you the opportunity to not have to have surgery, prolonged surgery, or if you're just not ready for surgery yet, this is a great alternative that will promise you results. So this is a two-step routine, and every time I do a Instagram Q&A, I always get asked how to tighten the upper eyelid. And I always say the exact same thing, but I never say why this works, and I feel like this is a really important video because I typically don't say a routine's perfect for every skin type and every need. However, this is the only way that I know to help my clients and my customers tighten the upper eyelid. Studies show that aging starts at 25. That is because collagen starts to degrade and you start producing less. Loss of collagen creates laxity, sagginess, or droopiness in the skin and organs. So the only way to supplement this, one, is by taking collagen supplements and then using ingredients that help your own skin create more collagen, as well as treat your DNA damage and help to rejuvenate the cells. This protocol combines two clinically proven products that will tighten the eyelid and fix a droopy skin around the eye. The first product you will use morning and evening is the Catalyst AC11. This is an oxidized ascorbic acid, so it will be a amber to brown color. You will want to use this on damp skin. The reason that this works, it's a clinically proven product, is for a few key ingredients. The first one is cat's claw. Cat's claw is proven to increase DNA repair while reducing inflammation. The ascorbic acid in Catalyst AC11 increases elasticity and elastin in the skin and works as a powerful antioxidant so that UVA, UVB damage doesn't further deteriorate or degrade your cells. And then alpha ketoglutaric actually works by binding proteins that heal your DNA. So let's quickly talk about why DNA repair is so important in anti-aging. So zinc fingers actually repair faulty cells in our skin. Catalyst utilizes zinc finger technology as a way to help simultaneously pulling all of these ingredients together to clinically treat sagginess and droopiness of the upper eyelid. Just with Catalyst alone, in clinical studies, there was a 110% production increase of elasticity, 24% smoothness of texture, 17% reduction in fine lines, and 15% tightening of the upper eyelid. So first, your base product, you'll mist a little bit with, you can even use water if you want to use Boost, Infuse. You'll use a tiny little bit of this, massage in your fingers, and then massage it 360 around the eye, all the way up to the brow bone and back. And then on top of that, you will put your DEJ Revision Eye Cream. And again, just like Catalyst AC11, this has been clinically proven to treat the upper eyelid for droopiness and sagginess. So first, it's really important to understand what the DEJ is, just like it is to understand why Catalyst and zinc finger technology helps with Catalyst AC11, how the DEJ is important in sagginess and droopiness and treating it for long-term results. So the DEJ is the dermal epidermal junction. The dermal epidermal junction relates to the tissue between the epidermis and the dermal layers of the skin. It's the mechanical support for the epidermis as well as the cohesion of these layers of skin. So as we age, if they start to separate or slide, or the mechanics of it don't work as well, you're going to see that in aging, droopiness, laxity, and a loss of tone. So when we're young, our DEJ is wavy and it's strong, and as we age, our DEJ starts to flatten and gets weak. So effectively treating the DEJ will outwardly enhance the health of our skin and the tightness and tautness of the way it looks. So the key ingredients in the DEJ Eye are, the first is tripeptide 5. Tripeptide 5 is really important because it actually enhances or improves our own dermal collagen. It also helps to increase collagen and elastin production. That will improve the crow's feet around the eye, as well as the overall elasticity of the eye area skin. And then lastly, it has tetrahexyldecyl sorbate, which help to brighten the eye area as well as help with firming and lifting. A really important thing to mention about DEJ Eye, which you'll probably hear a lot this year because the microbiome of skin is all the buzz lately, but all of Revision products actually help with the microbiome of the skin, including DEJ Eye. DEJ Eye also has hyaluronic acid and sunflower oil, which will be really helpful to help to increase hydration and luminosity in the skin. Catalyst AC11 also has hydrating ingredients. However, I personally don't feel like it's a hydrating product. It won't be drying, but I find these two together definitely will help to hydrate and moisten the skin. Whereas if you just use Catalyst alone, you may feel the first few weeks a little drier than usual as your skin gets used to the product. Catalyst has 2 different DNA repair enzymes, while the DEJ Eye is going to repair the dermal epidermal junction and keep it strong, which is why these two work so well together, because they're both fighting different things that cause a droopy eyelid, but together they're going to have superior results of using one or the other alone. They both have collagen and elastin precursors as well as hydrating ingredients. So together, when using these 360 around the eye 2 times a day, I know you're going to see results in the tautness, the firmness, the actual texture of the eye, but most importantly, because this is a routine for droopy eyelid, this is going to help tremendously in lifting and firming the eye area. So like I said, this is not to replace surgery, but if you are committed to this routine for at least 12 weeks, take before and after photos, I promise you, you will see a difference. This comes out a brown color, and that's plenty for both eyes. And the DEJ Eye, why I really like this too, if you have like puffiness under the eye, you can actually put this in the fridge, and this metal applicator will help to move like stagnant lymph. So it'll help to smooth and tighten the under eye as well immediately with this cold applicator. And then it's easy to really just work this into the skin all around the eye. But that is how that one looks. So it's just a nice light hydrating cream, and then together, like I said, you're gonna have the most wonderful uplifted results. So you can either apply these together all around the eye or separate, totally up to you, but I would do it on damp skin. So I hope this video was beneficial. For every time I say that these 2 products together will help to show a more lifted appearance in the upper eyelid area, and why it is great for all skin types. If you have any questions, please let me know. If not, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.